Hi again, Michael Nicole here with Cabo for Sale Real Estate and Development. We're here at Morgan Residential, what everybody's been talking about, an eco-friendly project that the first phase here has 21 units. It'll be a total of 47 units, but we're building here with shipping containers, but we'll show you that here in a second. As you can see, we've got a great facade. This party's done. We have a sales office here on site. Here's our sales office, which is actually one of the lofts. We have two different style lofts that start at $69,000. This particular unit here is $92,000, correct, Jorge? Yep. $92,000. So it's a one-bedroom loft with 1.5 bathrooms. And this is one of our $69,000 one-bedroom, one-bath loft. It comes equipped with appliances. It has air conditioner, the refrigerator, which is not here yet, but the gas-powered stove. This gives you an idea of the finish work that we have here, the granite countertops, and furnishings will be extra, of course, at an extra cost. And here, as I stated, eco-friendly. We're using shipping containers to go ahead and build this project. It is not for storage, but to build the units themselves. They're 40-footers, and you connect 3 of those guys together, and you have a 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. We have an elevator that's going in place. We have a rooftop infinity edge pool, which we'll show you here in a second. We'll go through a couple of units and get a feel for it. We also have a full-size gym. There will be a rental manager on site, 24/7 gated, guarded security, underground parking for some of the units. Otherwise, a concierge will be here on site as well too, so it's a full service. And here we have one of our one-bedroom units. This one is a one-bedroom, one-bath. It's $89,000. Truly, tiles here, the kitchen will be over here. You're seeing it in its rough state. Walls are insulated. Have nice balconies on both these windows here that'll have a garden view. But we've got a great city view and a great ocean view here right out of the window. Take a look. You can see a cruise ship here in the harbor. This is going to be a nice spot to enjoy and relax and enjoy the views of Los Cabos. This is our 2-bedroom lock-off. When you walk into this aspect of the unit, you'll have a mini kitchen that'll be right here. As you come in, of course, a full bathroom. And what I mean by lock-off, you can lock this door off here, rent it as a 1-bedroom unit, or rent it as a 2-bedroom unit total. This is the living area that's here, kitchen, living area, and here's the other big bedroom. Again, the walls are all insulated. You have 18 inches from the roof up, so you won't be hearing your neighbors upstairs. Now, this one is priced at $139,000. Great buy for over 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, all appliances, and you have to handle the furnishings yourself. And this is a monster area. This is a common area that'll be with lounge chairs, potted plants, fire pits, barbecues. This will be a nice common area. Of course, it will be railed, so it will be child friendly. But this is a great spot. Our infinity edge pool is right up top up here. Now, I'm not going to climb a ladder right now to show you that, but we'll do that on one of the other segments. I was watching that one cruise ship come in right around the corner as I was pulling up here. It looked right upon the Land's End. It was a gorgeous view. At night, this is a great view here as well too, so you get all the twinkle of the lights. It is, you are about 3-minute drive to get here to town. You're probably a good 15-minute walk if you want to walk there. It is a good about 8 blocks from town, as you can see it there. Phase 2 will start here momentarily. Now this phase, these first 21 units, they will be completed by mid-April. So delivery time, mid-April. The next price increase will happen when phase 2 starts. So jump on the first phase. So these things are going to go quick. You're one of the first to know about it. Jump on board. This is a great project for rental, for long-term or short-term. Take advantage of the prices now.